Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can share your connection, share your internet connection or personal hotspot on your Windows 11. So let's start. If you see this icon, you can click it, and here there is a mobile hotspot. Just one click, your PC will share the internet connection into another devices, so your PC become like Wi-Fi extender. And also you can activate mobile hotspot via settings. You can click settings and click network connection. Here, as you can see, there is a mobile hotspot option, share your internet connection, so you can switch this on. If you click again, there is an option like share my internet connection from. You can choose the option here. Share over, of course you can share over Wi-Fi here, and this is the properties. You can edit it. So feel free to try this mobile hotspot feature on Windows 11. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Also click the button below. See you in the next video.